Welcome to the installation guide for rubber gym flooring. Today, I will guide you step by step through the process of installing CM resilient gym flooring, ensuring a professional and durable finish. Before we begin, here's what you'll need. The first step is to prepare the subfloor. Make sure it's clean. Step 2, measuring and cutting. Measure the size needed for the corners. Mark a straight line on the mat with chalk, and use a straight edge and utility knife to cut along the line cleanly. Step 3. Start at one corner, laying the slabs in a brick-like pattern for added stability. Ensure there are no gaps between the slabs. Adjust as necessary. Final step. Once complete, clean the surface with a damp cloth or mop to remove any dust or residue. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. For more details or support, contact us at canadamats.ca.